Okay, had this refrigerator unplugged, plugged it back in, and had this awful noise coming from the back of it. First thought maybe something in the cardboard, but maybe the condenser fan. But then reached up a bit higher and listened a bit higher. Sounds like it's coming from up higher, so check it out in the freezer. Check the evaporator fan instead. So gave it a spin there, and everything spinned freely, but what I wanted to do was take off the fan blades and then plug it back in, and that way if it was the fan motor or something I would know, or something else, at least it would isolate the noise. And if everything spins fine without it, then I can try putting the blades back on. And it is spinning. Sometimes you get some ice buildup or something. You'd have to melt the ice or defrost the ice first. This one actually just seems like it somehow started rubbing. So just a matter of repositioning the fan. Nice, easy deal. Not always quite that easy, but that's what this one was.
Pulled the fan blades off, put them back on, so it's adjusted. Good to go.
And when you unplug the fridge, and you want to wait some time before plugging it back in so that the pressures in the compressor have a chance to equalize, it's a good idea to wait about 5 minutes in between plugging in and unplugging.